everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another weekly grocery haul. So I wanted to share with you the things that I got this week for my grocery haul. This is probably one of the smallest grocery hauls I've ever gotten because we really and truly did not need a lot of things. So let me share with you what I was able to get, and then I will share with you how much I spent, and I'll show you what we have in our fridge, freezer, and pantry. So I had to shop at Walmart today, specifically because I was by Walmart, and this is not my normal shopping day. So you'll see this on Thursday, but it's actually Monday because I had to take care of some things. I have a meeting tomorrow, so our schedule has changed a little bit. So I had to adjust my shopping day. I normally shop on Wednesdays because sales roll on Wednesdays, but it is what it is for this week. So I was at Walmart and I got these are Brussels sprouts where you can steam them in the microwave. I got 2 bags of those. They were 57 cents. I got 2 bags of the cauliflower. They were 98 cents. And I got 2 bags of the cauliflower rice. They were $2.49. They're like $1.89 at Aldi. So it wasn't too much, knowing that I can get everything at one place. I got some paper towels, toilet paper, and I got a big thing of paper plates because my sister and my niece and nephew are still here, so I picked those up. I picked up a thing of the bubbly. I normally get a 12-pack of something generic from Harris Teeter, but they did not have that. I couldn't find any seltzer water at all, and I looked. So I settled for this. This was not my planned purchase because I like to get more cans for a less price. This is like $3.39. I picked up 2 bags of the small, raw, peeled, deveined, and tailed off shrimp. We can have this at least for 2 meals. We might stretch it out to 4 meals, but I think 2 is safe. Picked up some butter. Picked up some xanthan gum. I have gone back and forward between buying the xanthan gum, but it was less than $6. And I think it's going to help me in some recipes. So I just picked this up. It's probably one of the only keto things I hadn't picked up so far. Picked up 2 of the clear American waters, and then I picked up some of the Diet Cranberry Great Value. We were all out of unsweetened cocoa powder, so I just picked up the Great Value brand. This is 8 ounces, and it was like $1.86, whereas the other ones were over $2. So I picked up some strawberries. I picked up a couple electrolytes water packets, and this is like a mega sour water packet. I thought the kids would like that. And then I picked up some fat-free Ready Whip. And then my non-grocery purchases, I picked up this little grip and kickstand. This is what it's kind of like a pop socket, but it's material, if that makes any sense. And you can stand it up and it'll have your phone, kind of like, again, like a pop socket. But I picked that up. That was $4.88. I picked up some cupcake liners because I like to use these in my muffin tin for $1. I picked up a iPhone charger for my car. So this was like $4.88 as well. And then I needed a mount because the mount that I have, sometimes it just falls out. So that was $4.88 as well. So all in total, and I did pick up a card. I'm in a leadership class, and tomorrow's the last class of the year. So we're getting together and doing a gift for our teacher. And so I picked up a card that was like $3 and some change. So all together for everything you see here, I spent like $76. And normally I could get 2 or 3 times as much if I shop at Harris Teeter with coupons. But these, let's see, that was $15 just for these 3 things right here. So normally I was a little bit under, let me see, like 60 bucks for that, just that. But I did get this stuff over here. So let me share with you what we have in our fridge and freezers. We'll start with the freezer. I have some green beans. Ma'am is seeing something she is not happy with. I do have some veg, broccoli. Those might even be Brussels sprouts. Oh, they're onions. And then Brussels sprouts. We have some ham steaks. Forgot those were in there. I need to fry those up. Ham steaks. And then I made some double chocolate muffins. Of course, you can't see them. And then I made some cheddar bacon biscuits. And then that's just the kids' ice cream. Sausages. Couple things of sausage here. This is my older son. He brought that foolishness in the house. Pray for him, y'all. Pray for him. This says pork loin. Oh, that was some pork loin I had already cooked and froze. I think I need to probably use this. Maybe I'll make a soup, because that's got a little bit of some freezerness on it. So before that gets any worse, I'm going to pull this out. But I just put that in there 9:30. So it hadn't been in there long. I'm going to pull this out just so I'm not losing meat. I'll make a soup of some kind. Then in the fridge, we have the other bacon cheddar biscuits that I made last week. So just 2 of those left. We have, let's see. These are sausage balls, keto sausage balls, I think. Mississippi chicken, green beans, bacon, things I'll take for work for lunches. Then we have bacon, bagels, and then that is bacon wrapped cabbage. So a couple of things that I can have for lunches this week, and then a few things that we can still eat on for the rest of this week. Let's see what else we got. Nope. Doesn't like that. Okay. All right, in here we have cheese. There's chocolate chip cookies, and then shredded cheese. There's guacamole, butter, cream cheese. In here, there's some more cheese, some roast beef. I think I'm gonna do like not pepper steak, Philly cheesesteak in a bowl, and then some more guacamole down there. Some of that bologna is ours and some is my sister's. Okay, we've got just bottled water, some spinach. We're having spinach for dinner tonight. And then down here I have another little bit of cabbage that I didn't use up from yesterday. This is some breading I'm going to use for dinner. A few peppers, some jalapenos. Forgive my filming, y'all, sorry. And then a couple of those low-carb tortilla wraps. And then over here, I've got some blackberries and a few keto waffles. Just condiments there. Taking that breading out because I'm going to use it for a cook with me that you'll get to see. And then in the pantry, have all of my keto staples, flours and sugars and Parmesan cheese, syrups, coconut, those types of things. Lemon juice, our lilies, and then some, what are those, protein bars in there. There's a few, this is like some stuff Jackson was eating. What is it? Dried blueberries and pecans. Jackson just likes to eat that. Of course, all this oatmeal stuff, that's my sister's, her and her kids. We've got peanuts and pickles for us. And then I've got some tomatoes, mushrooms, canned chicken. Sorry, my lighting is bad. Chicken broth in there. Cheese crisps and pork rinds I still have. And this salad topping. So let me talk a little bit about this. This is Nature Source salad topping. Now there are some cranberries in here, dried cranberries. But when I look on, for 1/4 cup, it's 10 grams of carbs, 2 fibers. So that's going to be 8 carbs. I'm going to try a tablespoon of this on my salad, and I'm going to track it with Carb Manager, and I'll let you guys know when I do it, what did I eat video, how much this was, because it has nuts, but there are those cranberries in there, so I'm sure that's what's making it a little bit more in points. But I wanted to try that, and that's good until January. So between me and Jackson, we'll eat that. Alana does not eat nuts. And then we have a whole big bag of almonds. But I saw, I printed off a recipe from Keto Connect. I gotta get the dog some dog food. I saw a recipe from Keto Connect on making some French toast sticks. And then I saw another recipe, I'm in the dark, y'all, sorry, of somebody making a French toast with some French toast, and they actually used some shredded coconut and almonds. They battered it, and then they put it in that, and then they fried it up for French toast. So I'm going to try some of that. But here's the outside freezer. So there's cheese. There is cream cheese. Got a bag of ice. This is still from Hurricane Michael. Wasn't supposed to come through our area. But so lots of cheese. We keep that on hand. Here's guacamole. Probably gonna have to come out here and clean. But lots of vegetables. I got a whole chicken. This is some of that cheese and meat. I've got a big bag of tilapia. More cheese. I've got some stuff down here. I don't even know what I got down there. I really need to come out here and go through this again. But I'm starting to fill it back up. It's still slow because I just get the deals when I can find the deals. So there's quite a bit of things in here that we can have for meals. Thinking about doing that chicken one night this week. Just do a whole chicken. Of course, that'll last us for a couple of meals. But anyway. So anyway, you guys, that is our grocery haul and kind of what we have going on. I'm not real sure what I'm going to have for this week as far as meals are concerned. I will meal plan sometime after this video. But anyway, that is it for us. Thank you so much for stopping by for another VlogTober video, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.